Hey, what's up, YouTube? Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that are watching, all the people them that supporting me, celebrating Happy Mother's Day as well. Much love to Uno. I hope so not take care of the mommy. If your mommy pass off, I hope that you actually take the day for remember her and all of these things. So now, this is my first story time, and it is Mother's Day, so I guess I'm going to share a little story about my mother. I don't know if it is very pleasant. But anyway, let's go. So it's story time. That's the worst intro ever. Anyway, so here goes. Years ago, when I was a little pitney, maybe kind of fat, let me look at something there, I was going to Jesse Ripple Primary School. You know, when I did at Jesse Ripple Primary School, I was pretty much a nerd. I was pretty much a geek. I was about 200 pounds when the people them play stock and pull and 1, 2, 3 red light and I play money football and them look at something there. I made a person with them always pick last. Like nobody never want me on them side because when you play stock and pull, like in a 2 seconds somebody stuck me. I get catch line. I could run off too fast. Them little struggles there me used to go through. Yeah, so 6th grade I was there and up here, I was raised, I never really taught no patois. The most patois I talk in my life are right now. Because my parents, them were like, yo, my mother was like, yo, speak like a better and all them because something there when they at school and some used to speak like English and up here like a Disney Channel I grew up on. You know, so I never really too watch none of the little, I never know about local TV, I never know nothing about Jamaica. If you tell me anything about Disney, MTV, and Nickelodeon, and VH1, I could tell you half of the back. But anyway, that's a backstory. So one of them there, and during all of this time, when I got Jess Ripple, I have like my nice swizzle, I have my little chubby, my mother would put little food in there, and then on top of that, I used to crave, so on top of the lunch I get, I used to go take food from the cafeteria, and sometimes they have like all the bulla and the pink milk was supposed to go for certain children, but I used to crave, I used to beg some of that too. Like, boy, I'm used to hungry, no wonder why I'm this so fat, so Jesus Christ, like one big roly-poly-oly. So, and at that time, no, I never really know about to take bus. So, up here, taxi used to could have picked me up and them stuff there. But one day, it's like my mother couldn't collect me, and my father couldn't pick me up neither. And is what they happen? They kind of get forced for go take the bus. Forced to go and take bus go downtown. So I jump on some bus go downtown now. And at the first me really I see downtown like this. Me I walk by myself now, you know. So me excited at 12-year-old me I look and you have one park downtown. It's like when they have Emancipation Park in New Kingston. There was a park downtown and I was like, yo, what call me? I was like, yo, look at all these people. You have the higgler them, people that take picture. Everything is just fascinating to me. And then, right in the middle of the park, I buck up this man where it's like him have this studio. Him have this little sound and him play some music. And it's the first time I think me ever hear like Racha dancehall. And the song was Jesus Crime. The song was a song by a Zebra or Zoom, not Zoom J, Zebra. And it goes something like, pum pum cut in a two, half for me and half for you. And I don't know, at the time it was fascinating. I was like, yo, how nobody never knows that the maths here could have be part of music. I never know because me I learned about multiplication and them something there. And yet you tell me say dancehall music could have teach me. I never know this all along. So me hear the song like I stand up in and I just listen to the song. Pum pum cut in a two. Half for me and half for you. And it's like I could get like the song. The song just in my head, so I'm like me excited, me feel like yo, it's the first time I felt like me actually want Jamaican. Anyway, no, I'm gonna book up my grandmother now and all them something there. Me do know the song still in my head. Pum pum cutting at two. Half for me and the song in my head. And I go home now and let me mumble it to myself now. I'm excited now. I say, yo, when I go to school tomorrow, I'm going to down the place because none of the pit them now expect this from me. Them don't know say I have this luck. Them don't know say I know this. Them are go surprised. So I'm excited. I'm going to school now, like, you know, class that I know, you know, teacher, Miss Donny, she collect like the register and everything and do all of them something there now. And she step out of the class like 10 minutes before breaks time. So like, you know, pit them they play ABC fast and slow and where I play like B word and them something there. And it's like I realize, so, yo, I time this for like shell the class. Everybody are gonna get ratings right now. So I went up in the class now, I tell them, so yo, I go downtown. They must say, Bombard, You go downtown? I say, yeah. I go downtown and I hear this song. And like, yo, I have to take time and sing it. And then it's like, my daddy. And then I say, what this song? I say it out hard. And then my boots me up in there. Okay, you know, primary school, my boots you up. So then, them boots me up now. And then some go in front of the class, like, right in front of where the blackboard there. And my daddy is singing now. I feel good enough, my daddy. I say, pum pum, cutting a two. Ah for me, for you. Pum pum. I don't remember the rest side. You don't want another line I remember, but pum pum cutting a took. Ah for me, and I put them, yeah, got a berry. Pum pum cutting. Every time my boots me for something I sing it. Pum pum. I mean I stress on the pum pum, you know. Pum pum cutting that. Yeah. Ah for me, for you. I miss a pum pum. I'm there. It's like, remember me there, feel the vibes, I'm there, pum pum cutting and this time I'm a freestyle, pum pum cutting too. And it's like, I want to the point, them never realize that the pit them stop, like them just stop cheer for me. So I feel shame, like I feel like a flap. And then the flap me go flap now, I'm gonna start to feel like a weirdo, I'm gonna come for go walk off now and go on my seat. And instead of turn, it was my teacher. She come back in the class. She come back in the class and catch me midway in the pum. Yeah. And I really don't remember what happened after that. I know she come in and she called me up to her seat and she tell me something. And me never really listen to what she was saying. But me know say what she ended up tell me know say it never did end there. So yesterday the next day, after I kind of feel like comfortable now, I feel comfortable in my class now. I don't look at maths work. I do my look work and I scribble up my look stuff. Me only see one woman I step foot in the class. Me hear the pit them start fear whisper. When I turn around, no my mother that. Miss Marcia. She showed up to the classroom and I said, Jesus, peace, Papa Jesus. My friend must say, yo, yeah, your mother that, you know. Your mother got there, you get a whoop ass. I said, no man, my mother probably just, no, it come here, me don't know, I just stay hope for the best. And my only see like, you know, the teacher, Miss Donny, she carry me out of the class. She carry me outside of the class now. And my mother out there. And she there talk to my mother. And my mother listen to her. And then my mother said to me, what is that you were singing in class yesterday? And I was like, nothing, mommy. Mommy said, what did you say? I was like, nothing, mommy. Mommy's like, no man, you were singing something in the class. What is it that you were singing in the class? And then I said, no, and she goes, woof, one little top right this up. I was like, pum pum cutting a toe. And she said, that is it? I'm sure that's not it. There was more than that. For me, for you. I said, before I could have even finished the little line, people, I tell you one, David and Goliath, rotted box. My mother shot me. Oh, Jesus. My mother shot me a box. When she shot me the box, like her 4 finger them print out on my face. I get the box on my lap. What does that call me? I got the biggest box in my life. I think that's why I'm singing box cover so much. One rotted box. When I walk back into the classroom, the pit them laugh after me like for the whole entire day. My mother 4 finger them just print out in my face. So print out on my face like I could have literally draw like a line and mark her finger them. That was it. After that, me never listen to like a slack song again. Until Kartel come out to take something girl. But that was it. That was the story. The one time I decided to make a break out in a primary school and go sing the song, I'm going to sing it and boy oh boy. So that song, every time I hear the song, I feel a pain. Every time if ever somebody just play the song, pum pum cutting or two, I feel a pain in my face. Yeah. But you know, I guess I learned a lesson, so happy Mother's Day. That was my first story time. The time my mother just slapped me in my face because my dad saying pum pum cutting or two. That is it, people. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to hear more story time with DuttyBerry. If you want to follow me on social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. If you want to email me, to book me, to MC or host anything, it is DuttyBerryShow, or for promotions as well. It is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Watch me all of the thing like me a good news reporter. Anyway, peace out. Take care until next time.